Guga Food, guys. Today, tenderizing experiment number 2. All of your suggestions from the previous video are now going to be put to the test. Check it out. So as I mentioned on the previous tenderizing experiment, it was a tremendous success. And today we're putting your suggestions to the test. And here they are. We got papaya, kiwi, onion, baking powder, and honey. Now let me show you how I prepare all of them. Let's do it. Now that we got all of our contestants ready, today we're going to be using the ribeye, and we are going to be removing the cap from the roast so that we can compare these contestants against one of the most flavorful and tender steak, the ribeye cap. So let's do it. Now here's our experiment steaks. Now it's time to marinate these bad boys, and we're going to start off with the papaya first. Now I did let them all marinate for 30 minutes before moving on to the next step. Check it out. From left to right, we got the honey, baking powder, onion, kiwi, and papaya. I gotta tell you guys, when I first started this experiment, I did not have much hope. But to my surprise, some of them were so tenderized, they were almost falling apart. Now there's left to do is season them and cook them up. So I'm gonna be keeping the seasoning simple with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So let's do it. This is the control steak. And we can't forget the star, the ribeye cap. Now that we got all of our steaks ready, it's time to cook them up. So let's do it. We got the steaks ready and the boys are hungry. Are you guys hungry?
So hungry.
They look good and ready to go. You ready? All right. Today I want to know which one is better. We have a lot of steaks going, so we're gonna do this real quick. Are you guys ready? We're gonna try all of them together and we're gonna find out which one is best in the end. Andrew cannot wait. Let's just go for it. Go for the first one. Let's go. What do you guys think?
It's like a sweet steak.
Yeah.
It tastes pretty sweet.
Tastes sweet?
It's really weird. I like it.
As soon as you take a bite, there's this big explosion of flavor, and it kind of sticks around a little bit after. I really
Angel's going for second.
Yeah,
Apparently you like that one, huh, Angel? It tastes good. I like it. I enjoy the taste. Now, how do you guys feel about tenderness? Do you think it's tender?
I think it's pretty soft.
There's not much to compare with tenderness, so let's just jump to the next one. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it. Ooh, that one looks good. This one is interesting.
about that.
Tastes a little weird.
This one tastes different.
Yeah. To put it next
Angel?
to
Yeah, that's one way to put it.
Yeah.
Angel looks serious. You don't like that one, Angel?
I don't think I'll be going for seconds on this one.
Yeah.
I like A better.
Yeah.
So far I agree. A is a lot better.
Yep.
Ready for the next?
Sure.
Yeah,
Always.
something.
All right, let's go.
When you guys are done.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
I feel like we've had this before.
Yeah.
Mmm. This one is better.
Yeah, it's a really familiar taste.
You don't like Angel. Angel doesn't like this one. No.
He's a hater.
It's got a really strong aftertaste. I'm noticing, like
It's-
it's still hanging around in my mouth.
I agree with you. We have a little aftertaste.
A's better.
So far, this boy liked the A, and I think I know why. I'll tell you in a little bit. Let's go for the next one, boys. All together. Let's do
this
it.
one right here?
That one is tender.
This one's way
For
softer.
sure.
Much more tender. Agree?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we definitely ramped it up in tenderness.
It's kind of going a little bit up.
better than B.
All right, let's go for the next one.
Yeah,
Let's do it. Whoa, this one is juicy.
Oh man. That was so soft.
Oh boy,
That one's been the softest one so far.
Oh man.
that one's tender.
So
Yeah.
far, that's the softest one.
Yep.
By a mile too. Wow. And there was
And
so
it
much
tastes
juice. Yeah.
Tastes amazing, that one.
Yeah.
That one has like, kind of like the consistency like when we did the pineapple.
Really?
Oh.
Interesting. Okay.
But not the flavor.
Yeah, it's not as sweet as you
Yeah,
would
the pineapple, I liked it more just because it was
I
like a
know.
little sweeter. This one's like, it has that like...
This one is super tender, guys.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say.
There's no doubt.
It's soft.
It's tender. Okay, last one. Go for it. Go for it.
man.
No
This-
fighting.
in
There's no
order, in
fighting
order.
here. There's plenty for everybody. Let's go.
The flavor is a lot more intense in this one than any of the others.
I wouldn't say that one's tender. Like it's
No, we
it's
definitely
tender, but
dropped
it's not
back.
as tender as like these last two.
But the flavor is.
But the flavor punches you.
I say this one is way more flavorful.
Yep.
Yeah. That one's probably the most flavorful, but it's not the most tender.
It is not the most tender. All right, guys, so here's the deal. We got this steak right here was marinated with honey. And that's why I think Angel likes
Like
better,
it so
because
much.
Angel likes sweet stuff.
You sweet boy.
Yeah, sweet tooth. And then we got this one here, which is kind of the weird steak, and you guys didn't like it too much, and neither did I. This one here was with baking soda. Yeah,
I
it's
didn't like that one.
soda.
That one was
baking soda is kind of weird. It does taste a little funny, and you can
Yeah.
definitely tell there's something going on. You guys
That one
agree?
gives you probably the most aftertaste, and it's like
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
it's
that.
I
not
agree.
a good aftertaste.
I wouldn't recommend it on a nice steak. All right, then we got the next one here. You guys said this one was familiar because this one was marinated with onion.
Oh,
So it kind of
okay.
tastes familiar. And then we got this steak right here, which was marinated with kiwi.
Oh wow.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's different, kiwi. You definitely cannot tell any kiwi on it.
No,
when you're
it's
eating
softer.
it.
It's softer, but you can't. There's like no taste that you can give to it.
I
it
agree.
didn't have like that. Oh, this is kiwi
Yeah.
type of flavor. It's just
That's because I washed it all off the kiwi. But I gotta tell you, the enzymes from kiwi does work and makes it more tender.
Yeah.
And then we got the last one right here, which was marinated with papaya.
wow. You're going all out today. Huh?
Yeah, all kind of fruits, all kind of weird. That's because they told us to try it. They say, try this, try that. Everything you guys told me to try, I'm trying it out. So, what do you guys think? This one for you guys was the most tender, agree?
Absolutely.
Yep. Now this one here was the control. Like you guys said, it was more flavorful, but the tenderness is like a regular steak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is definitely like my favorite in terms of taste.
Which one is the most tender? Go.
The
It's gotta be
papaya.
papaya.
Letter
Papaya.
E. Or number E.
This one is definitely the most tender. Which one tastes the best?
Hey!
Control.
For me, it's gotta be the
Control.
You guys are just...
I agree, the control is better. This boy just like the sweet tooth, man. He likes the honey. So put honey on your steak. Does it make it more tender? Which one is more tender, this one or this one?
I mean, that one was more tender than the control.
So it does something.
It does something.
Yeah.
It does something for Angel.
And it tastes awesome!
He's a honey boy. All right, now I got a surprise for you guys. Let's try this one and see how this one here compares with the papaya.
This one's like falling apart.
Are you ready for this?
We're gonna get it on the
Go
floor.
for it.
Woo! Oh man.
Wow.
Huh?
It just instantly fell apart. Oh my god.
This one is so much better than
You're
the
going for
papaya.
seconds?
Yo.
The test is, can we make those steaks over there be as tender as this one?
Not like how we tried today.
Hell no, you cannot do that. There's no way that that's gonna happen. However, the papaya does work, but if you can, buy the Ribeye Cap, and if you can, put some papaya on it, and if you like sweet tooth,
Honey.
Honey.
go with the honey. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to try next. I was thinking about some...
I got an idea.
Okay?
The papaya was pretty tender.
Yes.
And last time we did the pineapple.
If you have not seen that video first, check out the card above.
Right here.
So what are you saying?
I
know where you're going with this.
This versus pineapple.
What do you guys think? You want to see papaya versus pineapple, or shall we do one more experiment before? I was thinking some type of acidity. Everybody knows that you can marinate lemon, lime, and it becomes more tender. Does it work? Let me know if you want to see that type of video. And if you have any other suggestions, put in the comments below. Maybe we'll do a number 3 before we do a head-to-head competition. Agree?
I think it's gonna be the best tournament ever.
I don't think these boys have any problem without trying.
No sir.
My pocket is getting empty, but these boys, you know, I gotta feed them wine. They're growing.
That's why you gotta love Guga.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description down below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Now we're gonna eat. Go for it, boys. Let's go.
All right, hold on. So you gotta put honey on the pineapple versus papaya.
Shut the hell up.
You gotta.
We are out. See you on the next one.
Do it.
Bye.
You can't leave that out.